So let's demonstrate how TracyChain system works. TracyChain is a decentralized asset tracking system. If you go to tracychain.com/demo, you will open the live demo interface. It's a simple example uh, showing how easy it is using decentralized technology to track and create a distributed ledger record of some shipment. In this example, it's a shipment of cheesecakes coming from a factory, for example, in Boston, over to a warehouse in Bridgeport, and then to a retail shop in New York. What we do here is with first API call, we create an entity for an asset, which is a shipment of cheesecakes. We have recorded the account ID, asset ID, some hash for the message, just via calling this REST JSON API call. It's one API call which creates a record on the database and on the blockchain. Next, we need to create a trace record for that entity we have created. So the shipment has left the factory. So to do that, we send another API call. And now we have added a description. It has left the Boston factory. The timestamp is recorded. And this is tracked on the blockchain as well. Same trace record thing we add when the shipment has arrived to the warehouse or has changed location or something else has happened that needs updating, and we keep updating the records on the blockchain. So in this case, we add the trace record that it has arrived to Bridgeport warehouse. Again, just one API call. Description is added, the timestamp is added. And yeah, and we do the same. So we can track anytime we want. We can track what's happening. So we can see, okay, so how many trace records do we have about this shipment? We have 2 trace records so far. So when we can see it has left the Boston factory, we can see it has arrived to Bridgeport warehouse. Timestamp is recorded. Let's go next and add a trace when it has arrived to a New York retail spot. So, okay, final trace record is added, finalized. And what we have here is we have recorded 3 different traces of the shipment on the blockchain. One is when it has left the factory, one is when it has arrived to the warehouse, and one is when it has arrived to the retail store. These records have been recorded both in the centralized database and on the blockchain. If you were to open some Explorer interface or access it via console on Ethereum node, you would be able to see these records as transactions, and these records forever stored on the blockchain, and nobody can tamper with them. So this is the simple demonstration. Thank you.